You know when you see something on Amazon and you instantly want to add it to your cart? Well, I have several of those pieces to share with you today, and several of these pieces have gone viral on Instagram. But are they as good as they appear to be? Everything I talk about here today will be linked in that description box and pinned in that comment section. Let's dive in. This two-piece set, seeing it all over the interwebs. In fact, someone that I follow, she has almost 500,000 followers on Instagram, showed this recently. This comes in a lot of different color options, and I have to say I absolutely love it as well. It is so cute. I love the cuffs on the pants. It's sort of giving jogger harem vibes, nice stretchy waistband. And can we just talk about this gorgeous peach color? So vibrant, so fun, and perfect for summer. The striped top is also a perfect fit. It is cropped. However, because these pants can be high-waisted, you don't necessarily have to show your midriff should you not want to. I love the cuff sleeve here. Also, this beautiful cross here on the front just adds a nice touch of interest and detail. And if you're brand new here, I'm 41 years young and I have 4 kids, ages 5 through 12, and all of these items were purchased in the size small. And if you don't love the color that I'm showing you here today, chances are there's an alternative option available. Oh my gosh, I bought this perusing on Amazon because I spend a lot of hours shopping on Amazon trying to find you really cute things at affordable prices, high-end looks for less, and I saw this. And then recently, someone that I follow with almost 1 million followers, and I thought, oh, I was onto something. So elevated and beautiful and comfortable all at the same time. We have several more upcoming trips this summer, some for business, some for pleasure, going to New York like I shared in some previous videos. Now, because this is what I do, I keep swapping out what I want to wear because I keep finding really fun, good things. And this is one of those pieces. I love that this is long sleeves. So if you go inside, you can put this on over your shoulders. If it's a little bit warm, you just wear the tank top underneath. You can dress this down. You can wear it for a date night. I also have a work conference here coming up. So, I mean, I can really do a lot with this outfit. And the white color is timeless. I need to know if this comes in alternative color options. I cannot remember offhand, so we're going to pop them on screen if they do. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that it can reach more people. Denim, denim, and more denim. You can never have enough denim because it is timeless, it is classic, it is money well spent because you can pretty much wear this year-round depending upon how you style it and what you style it with. I'm here in Minnesota where it gets cold almost 9 months out of the year, which is really sad. A lot of these pieces are going to transition really nicely into the fall and the winter again, depending upon how I style this. I love the length on this. This is perfect. It's great quality of material. The neckline is also really beautiful. You can wear it with jewelry. You can wear it without jewelry. I wanted to see what this looked like belted. I just had a rattan belt and I have to say I absolutely love it belted as well. But this looks good in and of itself. Not sure what to wear? Grab this gorgeous jean dress and you're going to look so put together with hardly any effort. This two-piece set, love because one, you don't even have to think about it, and two, and it's very comfortable. And we are in the hot season here in Minnesota where it gets into the 90s. I know, yes, we do get into the 90s between July and August, sometimes into September, but not really. So you want things that are nice and cool. And this outfit fits the bill. This does come in a lot of different color options. It does not come with the belt, so you can really change it up and put whatever belt that you prefer, or you could totally leave it unbelted. You could wear this for business and put a blazer over top. You have something going on professionally. The shorts are great length. They are not too short, but you could also really make this super cute for a date night or a lunch of some sort or a brunch. The material feels nice and soft and great quality as well. This dress, so cute. Someone that I follow, I think she has 600,000 followers on Instagram. She recommended this and I have to say I love it as well, especially in this beautiful navy blue color. Just timeless, very coastal, nice and stretchy, but it also has this nice detail here on the side, sort of a ruching detail. And I really love the off the shoulder detail. It just takes this basic dress and really elevates this. This is nice and cool. It is the perfect length. You could throw a white button down over top. You could also do a really cute jean jacket over this. This is going to go with so many different things. Loving this butter yellow. It just makes me happy. Thumbs up if you also love butter yellow. I've purchased a similar set to this in the past. This is by the brand Trendy Queen. I love the cut on this. You can really wear this for pajamas if you wanted to, or loungewear, but you can also elevate it depending upon the jewelry. I would do some bright, fun jewelry that we're seeing, which I'm in love with. Nice, stretchy waistband, and I love the length on these pants. I struggle on Amazon when it comes to pants because typically they are not quite long enough, especially if I want to wear a wedge or a heel, which I often like to do. These are just wonderful. They feel super soft on the body. In fact, I kind of want to wear them right now. Super quick, if you're not following my Amazon storefront, make sure that you do at amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Click on photos and you're going to easily be able to visually shop everything right there. You're not having to click back and forth between YouTube and Amazon, and then you can see all the different color options right there. You can see all the sizing options, and you can see some fun ways to style and pair each of these items. Amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Oh, I'm in love. Okay, this is definitely coming in my New York suitcase. We're taking our 2 oldest kids to New York City to do all the fun things for a long weekend. I'm so excited. And this looks so chic, so elevated, but it's also going to pair really nicely with tennis shoes because we will be doing a lot of walking. It is nice and cool and lightweight. I cannot wait to accessorize this and really jazz it up. It's very chic, timeless, black and white. I love the collar on this and the button-down detail, so you can really showcase some of your favorite fun jewelry. The length on this dress is also perfect, not too long, not too short, and perfect for those hot summer days. Okay, these next 2 pieces did not come together, but they pair together so nicely. I am loving this gorgeous cropped button down white top. White is perfect for the summer, and I love the collar on it, so it really elevates it. Fun pockets, nice cap sleeve. I love the crop detail. You could also wear some really cute jean shorts with this, or if you wanted to elevate it a little bit more, a black pant if you're going out in the evening and you want to have sort of that sultry, I'm put together boss vibe, if you know what I mean. This is a high-end look for less, and I found it for a fraction of the cost for you on Amazon. I'm loving this. And then I just paired it here with these pants I'm obsessed with. I need to know, do these come in multiple color options? We're going to post them on screen if they do. I want to say that they do, and you're going to love this. This is 70% cotton and 30% linen. These feel so good, and the length, I cannot get enough of the length. Nice stretchy waistband. We're seeing a ton of this. Is also going to transition super nicely into the fall. In fact, I don't even want to say the word fall because I don't even want to think about it. I'm just enjoying summer and it finally being hot here in Minnesota. I love these pants. I want more. This is a high-end look for less top, sort of Free People inspired, if you will, but I've seen this all over the interwebs on higher end retailers. Feels really nice on the body. These sort of tops go with so many different things. You can button it all the way down should you want to, but typically how I see it is the bottom 2 or 3 buttons are undone. It just adds sort of a visual detail, makes it a little bit more fun, a little bit more edgy, a little bit more classy. This is going to go with so many different things. Timeless tank top in your closet that you can really dress down, but you can also elevate it because of the cut and the buttons and how you style it. Fringe is all the latest and greatest, and I'm here for it. It looks so beautiful, and here in the white, so beautiful. The skirt is a great length, nice and stretchy. I just wore some nude undergarments and it did not show through, which I love. This is perfect for a date night or a brunch, or if you have something up and coming. In fact, if you want to look more expensive than the items that you paid for, this is going to be your outfit right here. There's someone that I follow on Instagram. She has almost 500,000 followers, and she does all sort of Nordstrom's higher end retailer things that are like $100, $200, $300, and she shared something very similar to this, and then I found the dupe on Amazon. So excited. Oh, this gorgeous set. I purchased this, I want to say last summer or the summer before, in sort of a beige khaki color. So I found it this summer in the green color. It fits so nicely. It's 2 pieces, however, because of how it is styled, how you wear it. If you wear it high rise, you don't have to show your midriff should you not want to. Nice stretchy waistband. Loving this green color. Great length on these shorts. They're not too short. And this beautiful one shoulder knot detail fits so comfortable, nice and stretchy. In fact, I would just wear some cakes or some nipple covers with this, depending upon your build and your frame. I'm completely flat, so I don't have to wear a bra or anything like that. Just, you know, cover up the lady parts. Okay, this next dress, so beautiful. Seeing it on other women, it looks fantastic. I absolutely love it as well, and it is super comfortable. However, there is a drawback with this dress. Like I mentioned, I'm completely flat chested, so I have nothing to like fill these little cups here, and I feel like the fabric cuts just a little bit funny. But if you have even remotely small boobs, I think it's gonna fill out this little fabric area. I'm not sure if you can quite tell on the footage what I'm talking about here, and I'm sure it would be just fine, but I don't know. I love the dress. I just wish it was cut a little bit differently, or maybe I was born with, you know, a little bit more in this area, but that's okay. Oh, this next dress, I am in love. This is another one I'm like, oh, I want to pack this one for New York. Beautiful white. This is the best white dress that I have found of all the white dresses that I've tried on, at least from what I can remember. And this is by the brand Pretty Garden. Excellent quality, lots of sizing options, lots of color options. I love the smock detail here on the front because, again, nipple covers or cakes or nippies are perfect. The adjustable straps, spaghetti straps right here, are really nice and comfortable. The length on this is great. This is not see-through. This is just so timeless and chic. I cannot wait to jazz this up with different fun, bright red jewelry, coastal jewelry. I love this. This right here, timeless piece in your closet. It's one of those things that you're gonna have hanging in your closet and you're gonna wanna wear it every single summer. Oh my gosh, this next one, yes, definitely instant add to cart on all of these. This tube top romper, yes, so it is shorts, which is really nice. So if you're getting out of the car, you're at a soccer game or a hockey game or whatever it is for sporting activities, you don't have to worry about, you know what. I love the pockets on this, nice stretchy here. It also has a nice grippy here, so nothing is gonna be falling down. I was even able to wear just my cakes with this. I don't love strapless bras. I have one that is better than any strapless bra that I have worn before. But again, still after like a couple hours, I'm just like kind of tugging on it, if you know what I mean. So if I can just wear the nipple covers, like perfect scenario. I loved it so much. I got it here in the red version. Now the 4th of July has passes, but I'm here for all the red. It's the perfect summer color. Just reminds me of barbecues and red and white gingham and picnicking and beaching. You could even put this over your swimsuit. If you're going to a resort or a beach, just pull this on over your suit. This is also super chic, especially if you're going to be going to a lunch of some sort and you want to be a little bit more covered up. But this right here, like hot summer, perfect, yes. And because of the tube top style of this romper, you can really showcase and highlight some of your favorite summer jewelry. Oh! This next dress, this woman that I follow, she always has the most beautiful dresses from Amazon, and sometimes they're great, sometimes they're not. This one was absolutely wonderful, gorgeous, bright yellow lemon. I love this, but it's also really nice and lightweight. I love the spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable. I love the length on this. Another one that you don't have to wear a bra with should you not want to. It is not see-through. It is so beautiful. I'm envisioning some chunky teal jewelry and beads to offset the yellow here. That combination is so beautiful and so pretty. I love this paired with some nice, beautiful casual sandals as well. And because I was in the market for a cute cardigan, I love this. Now you can style this on its own. It would be super beautiful, like a cute pair of jean shorts, a white tank top underneath, maybe a little white lace tank top underneath. It feels so nice. But where this cardigan is going to come in super handy is when you go inside, when it's a lot colder because of all the air conditioning, which I don't love. I really only love air conditioning when it's like above 80 degrees. I don't mind the humidity. I mean, the humidity does get bad here in Minnesota, but the humidity in Florida is also equally as bad. So it's, you know, humidity wherever you are, it's fine. I've learned to live with it. However, I don't love what it does to your hair, if you know what I mean. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. But this cardigan is great. You can just throw it in a cute little purse, keep it in your car, keep it wherever you need to, so that when you go to those restaurants or you go inside, you're covered up and you're not just freezing. Gorgeous peplum yellow tank top. This has been viral. I had to try it for myself and I love it. I love the detail here on it. Very high end, look for less. There's a nice smocking here on the back. Great neckline. The spaghetti straps are also fully adjustable. These peplum tops are not only super cute and classic, but I also love them because if you're feeling a little bit more bloated than usual, maybe it's that time of month, maybe you're experiencing some perimenopause, or maybe you just had a baby, you know what I mean? And you still want to look cute, but that midsection area, you're not necessarily, you know, wanting to highlight and wear something skin tight. Perfect top, yes, please. And in case you are wondering, I am not a size 0, I'm actually a size 2 to 4. I recently read that in the comments section. And what's great about all these pieces, they come in a ton of different sizing options. And last but not least, this gorgeous red striped dress. This does come in a variety of different color options. This is by the woman I mentioned who shows a lot of dresses. It looked fabulous on her frame. I believe she's about 5'3" or 5'4", so I was wondering how it would look on my 5'7" frame, and I love it. I put it on, it fits so nicely. I'm just wearing my cakes underneath this. It has spaghetti straps, it has smocking in the back, so it's nice and breathable, and it's very adjustable. The length on this is perfect. I cannot wait to style this with some chunky fun jewelry. I love this dress so much. In fact, right after this, I'm gonna go into Amazon and see what other color options are available because I could not remember offhand. We'll pop them on screen. Oh, and this dress is so cute. It has pockets, which I am loving, and now I'm like, maybe I should take this on my summer trips. Oh my gosh, this is the hard part of what I do because I have so many different options, and sometimes packing becomes more stressful when you have more options, if you know what I mean. Let me know your favorite piece in the comments box below, and also make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co, especially Instagram stories, because I share deals every single day on there. In fact, I post on Instagram before things come to YouTube, so if you'd like to be in the know, that's where you're gonna wanna go. And we've got to keep the fun going, so click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.